lang.
Nasa isla ng isang bayan. Lupang isang sayang ng puso. Sabihin na ang naglasmas ng sinusubo. Ipawit ng hawin. Umaasa. Bunalaban. Makinig ko. Nagkwento ako. Pakinggan mo. Makakaidoro ng kwento mo.
At ito po ang aking kwento. This is my story. Inikwento ko yung story.
At ito ang kwento ko.
Doon na yung stop. Okay. Oh no, mate. Better come. Kaya limbos na sa mga gusto. That's okay. Yeah, that's actually it doesn't bother the cool, is it?
I am Miguel.
Oh, no, what?
Time for 5. I
Oh,
have the time to give him the Holy Spirit.
wala naman.
Since I was born in
Wala naman
1949,
din.
but liberation time, I was
No, hold on a
7
minute.
years old. When I went to Holy Communion, my first Holy Communion, something happened. It made me so mad. My brother then was a Pakistan. And then, when he was giving me Holy Communion, when I was a very holy child then, suddenly I dropped the host. And knowing that this was Jesus himself, as trained by the sister, I said, oh no, what happened? I dropped the Lord. So I immediately picked him up, touching him with my hand and putting him in